There are three phrases every child needs to hear every single day. And those are: you are loved, you are safe, and you belong. If our child's life was a building, the foundation of it is love. And how strong that foundation is dependent on how unconditional that love is. Are they loved no matter what? No matter who they are, what choices they make? They need to feel that. When we get mad at them, children usually feel like our love has been taken away from them. And that's where we get to remind them, I still love you. You are still loved. My love for you hasn't changed. I just need some space right now. That will give them the courage to step outside our home and live life bravely and courageously. You are safe. Our external world is full of fear. There is a systemic instilled fear, or a systemic fear that motivates people. It's just a lot of the things that we experience in life is motivated by fear. So when they come home to us or when they're around us, they need to be reminded that they are safe, that they can trust the world, they can trust the universe. They need to learn safety from us so it can negate and balance the fear that they learn from the rest of the world. When they get into fight and flight mode, that's when they need to hear it. You're safe. You're going to be okay. You're here. I'm here. Everything's going to be okay. And that's when they get to grow up and just know that there's abundance, that they're supported, that they can trust the world and belong. That is a primitive need. All of us humans need to feel a sense of belonging. And when we go into the outside world, they might feel like they're neglected. They might feel outcasted. They might feel hurt. They might feel like they don't belong. And that's why it's essential when they're with us, they realize they belong with us. They belong just as they are. So you could choose if you want to say this once in a while, but I challenge you to make it part of your daily routine, because that's when it becomes part of their autopilot inner programming. And the way you can do that is you could add these words or phrases to your morning routine or to your nightly routine when you say good night or when you say goodbye. I do it with my 6-year-old every time we say bye to each other. And I do it with my 1-year-old every time I put him to sleep. And it can be as simple as just whispering those words in their ears, saying you are safe, you are loved, you belong. Or you can make a cool rap out of it and say you are safe, you belong, you are loved. The point of this is it has to be meaningful and you have to be connected. You can't be distracted. There are a few seconds where you get to hold their hand or look straight into their eyes or maybe do a cool stomp and high five or clap sequence with it. The way we do it in Hatch is we sing it and we say, you are loved just the way you are. You are safe just the way you are. You belong just the way you are. Go be brave and be true. Find more light to shine within you. And when I do it with my daughter, we sing it to each other and we hold hands. So I encourage you to make this part of your daily routine. Let's create little humans who know that they are unconditionally loved, unconditionally supported, and they, without a doubt, belong just as they are. And if you do create this and make it your own, we would love to hear from you and see it. So please share it with us. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.